Hi guys, so today's video we're going to be making slime.
What kind of slime?
I don't know. It's actually me. This isn't making slime.
Guess she tricked us. All right. First ingredients.
Open our glue. Here, this is one I can open. Let's get like that thing. We want all the glue?
No, not all the glue, Grace.
I think you do.
Let me see. We can't see how much is in. 2 of the reds.
Yum yum. Oh, please. All the way to the top. Oh, all the way to the top?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks cool. What? You don't see. I said whoopsie.
Jeez, whoopsie.
Whoopsie.
Thank you.
I gotta scrape out all the glue. Here, plenty of spoon. Oh, yeah. I don't know why I'm mixing glue. Show everyone.
Oh yes, glue. She's mixing glue. Caprice made glue.
Remember, Clint, only half. And don't do this like Caprice. Oops.
Caprice, put your lid on yours while you're waiting.
Just a little bit more. Okay, Kalina, don't dump it. Dump it. Dump it in. Good job.
Was that 2?
No. That was just one. Okay, Kalina, do it again. I'm pouring very good. Just do that.
Okay. Go ahead.
Now I'm adding the baking soda.
How much water do you need? 1/4 cup of water. And kids, we go get the hose, please.
I don't know where the hose is.
Yeah, you do. Follow the green line.
Oh, I could be like Kathy. If you said that, follow the yellow brick road.
All right. Oh, good. Clean is making a mess. And then mix. Okay, Clean, add your water and mix it up.
Yummy.
Whenever that's all mixed, we could add on.
All of it?
We'll mix all that. We'll mix it.
That looks really weird. Clean, try to pick it up with your spoon. It's your spoon, not hand. Come on. Let's start stirring.
When do we add the
Some activator. When was last time we made
activator?
Yeah. Colors. Activator.
All right, Priest is yours mixed. Okay, Cadence, you're gonna help them with the shaving cream part.
Okay, they might. I'm just gonna help clean. Is mine mixed all the way? Hopefully they at least know.
Add 3 cups of shaving cream.
Oil and water.
Clean, you're gonna have to do it next, so pay attention.
Shaving cream in her hair and Play-Doh in her hair.
Yeah, Clena's already dirty. She has paint, shaving cream, Play-Doh. Well, that's why I asked Cadence to help you.
Cadence, can I pour mine? Press the middle really hard. Can you do my shaving cream, but can I pour it? At least that's what
That's how you do it. You gotta just press it like you mean it.
Press like this.
Okay, Clena, go put your glue up.
Wow, that looks
Okay,
yummy.
that's probably 1. Go ahead.
Looks yummy. Yeah, it does look yummy. I gotta use a spoon.
Okay, you have to do 3 of those, and then you mix it up again.
Can I go and dance for a minute?
Oh, do whatever you want.
Shake my head back and forth.
Oh my goodness.
But I know I'm not your body back and forth like one of the thingies. How about that? I think I'm done.
Okay, Caprice, mix it up.
I didn't do 3 yet. Is that the second or the? It's the second. That looks yummy. That was good. I need it. I might just mix it whenever Caprice is doing hers. The glue makes it extra sticky.
We're done.
I'm not actually going to.
Okay. Okay, Priest, hand it over.
Mom, I need to.
Right, Clena. Oh my gosh. Do you need help?
This is actually cool. Get out. Ew, that long.
I know, Clena.
It's so weird.
It's like a Kalina shaving cream.
Or something. Like a white poop. This is called bird droppings. Here, Clea, let me help you. No. You're struggling.
What is going on?
It's like curling.
Yeah, Kalina, you need.
Help you because it's scared of
I know. It's just trying to not do what it needs to do.
Clea, do you want us to help? Oh, Grace, that looks cool. Mom, hurry, show the camera. Looks like yogurt
Ooh.
and frosting. Actually, yeah, Kane, can you do it? Yes. I offered. Well, Kane's offered first. I know.
Let's see. Looks really cool.
See,
Okay,
Mom,
Priest, you could start adding your
Clea's
food coloring if
amazing
you want.
techniques. Really?
Mm-hmm. Once you have your food coloring in, and then we add
Hey,
contact
no,
solution.
Clean, just like flick it, like on the side or something.
No.
Clean, don't worry.
Wow.
The rest will come out with the second batch.
Ah! This thing zoomed in. There it is.
Okay, I'm just gonna give you guys one. You have to put some in my hand. I really like that stuff.
Well, what are you gonna do with it? Turn yourself into Santa?
Whenever you're done, now I can do
Food coloring.
Mom,
Yes.
hurry. Show everyone. Look, it looks like it has like weird designs. Looks like that's a big, long white worm. Here, Quinn. How much? Okay, fine. I'll put.
Put in like 4 drops and then see how good that looks.
Thank you. Welcome. You're my nicest sister.
Priest is pretty nice too.
She just says that whenever we do something for her.
Uh-huh. Look at Kalina's not even making slime. Kalina's making a mess. Caprice is making slime. Kalina's making a mess.
Caprice, are you reading the instructions on here? Because it says how to apply it. So by to your hands. Might work better. I think Kalina will use her hands.
Yeah, use your hands if you want.
No, Kalina, not right now. Okay, Caprice, that's really pretty. Can I do mine now?
Sure.
Caprice, can you hand me the blue and the red? Are you gonna? I'm gonna copy you.
Oh,
I like copying. Kalina loves you.
that's alright.
Yeah, Kalina loves you. Okay, Kalina, do you want to even add
In a second, you first have to mix
Do you
this.
want light violet
Priest,
or
you could
dark
add some more.
violet? Light. Yeah, if you want to. But can you save some? Hold on. Here, I'll get it. If your slippery fingers can't. Could you, I need do it for you. Okay, Claire, that was actually like 15. I want to add a little more. Okay.
Call it ready now? Yeah.
I really like this stuff. Look at my
Priest, is
hands.
your color where it needs to be?
Yeah, I'm
Pretty.
helping my sisters. It's really pretty.
Okay, yours is where it needs to be. Hold
That
on.
looks good. Is this working?
I think it's working. See if it feels slimy. Remember, it's fluffy slime, so it's going to feel a little different than the other kinds.
No. So guys, looks like a very light blue. It's kind of like a blue part.
Oh, it's working. Kalina, mix it like you mean it.
I am. I'm trying to. Well, it's just hard with both of my hands.
Kalina's like the Swedish chef of slime. Disaster.
It's getting really sticky.
You're like the
on
neat
my
one.
finger. So
What's
start
it feel
mixing
like?
with my hand.
Yeah.
Do you want me to hold your hand? Mine's lighter than Kalina's. Yeah. I think yours kind of. I think mine just looks like a mermaid fin color.
So pretty.
Guys, this is it. Mom, this is actually turning out, guys.
Did you not think it would?
I did it! You said, Mom, this is actually turning out, guys. You know, I just said that, didn't I?
She's so excited.
Look at mine, though. Look at me, I'm covered in food coloring. This. Mom, look, my legs in.
Kalina, no.
Hey, Kalina. These can actually make slime bubbles. Oh, that would be cool. Yeah, like fluffy slime bubbles. So guys, like this slime, my slime is purple, her slime's blue, light purple and light blue, but hers lighter, like violet. Like I can't believe what I'm doing.
You can't believe it?
Mom, hers is like, I can't believe I'm actually